ZAKpack. Welcome back to ZAKtalks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. This is the Razer Phone 2, and I am excited about getting this. Less than a year since the Razer Phone 1 was released. It was released in November of last year, 2017. October, this guy right here is released, the Razer Phone 2, and Razer stepped up their game, and they have made some great improvements to this. I have put my SIM card in here to use it as my daily device, the thing in my pocket for the next few days. Let's talk about some of the changes that Razer made to this device compared to last year. First of all, the screen is a heck of a lot brighter, about 50% brighter. I noticed this right away as soon as I turned it on. It's a beautiful screen at 5.7 inches, supports HDR, and of course comes back with that 120 Hertz refresh rate there. It is an LCD screen, but as we've seen with some other manufacturers, Apple for example, LCD is not that bad and can look very, very good. Of course, this year again, Razer's back with a 4,000 milliamp battery, and it comes in two beautiful finishes. This is the mirror finish. It's very, it picks up fingerprints very, very easily, but there is also a satin finish as well. One of the big things that Razer got a lot of grief over last year was the camera. Now this is primarily a multimedia phone, but people still want to be able to have a good camera experience. And it looks like they've really done themselves out this time and really improved that camera. On the back here, we have two 12 megapixel shooters. One's at f1.75 and the other one's at f2.6 with the telephoto. The main shooter is a wide angle. In addition, for video, it does support HDR and 4K. You also get IP67 water resistance and wireless charging. The selfie camera right here is coming in at 8 megapixels. Now let's talk about one of the cool features that this phone comes with this year. This time, they've taken the logo on the back here and they've made it into their Chroma light changing thing that they do. Basically, you can change the color of this. You can change whether it pulses in and out. They call it breathing. You can change it so that it basically changes to all different colors, the brightness. It basically acts as an indicator for yourself. So if you have the phone flat down, it'll brighten up basically and turn colors so you know that you have notifications. Just a really cool feature. I did find it does make the phone a little bit warm, but again, I did have it on the highest settings. So just turn that down to low and you should be perfectly fine. I will definitely be testing this out to see how it runs down the battery, see if there's any problems there at all. Just like last year, it's gonna come with 64 gigabytes of internal memory and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So you can have plenty of blazing speeds there for your games, for anything you're doing. For myself personally, I'm gonna be doing a lot of multimedia on this. I'm gonna be watching a lot of YouTube. Again, it has those two great speakers right there. They are loud. I was watching some video earlier today, watching a little El Jefe reviews there, and a little bit of Viper, and boom, right in my face. They were loud. It was good. It was a really good experience. So my first impressions are, wow, Razer, you really stepped up your game this time. I'm looking forward to putting this through its paces for the next little while. Like I said, I've got my SIM card in there, and this is gonna be my daily device here for the next little while. Anyway guys, that'll wrap up this first impressions and first look unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. Let me know if you have any questions down there, things you want me to test out, things you want me to check out. You guys know that I'm always answering your questions and engaging with you guys. I enjoy the engagement. Let's keep it going. If you guys enjoyed this content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting the subscribe button there. Leave me a hashtag ZAKpack down in the comment section there. Let me know you're part of my ZAKpack. I'm glad you're here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.